Intro 2.4 Classwork. In this activity, you will explore built-in functions in Python and their applications. Here's what you will do. Review existing code. You'll start by examining a sample code snippet that demonstrates the use of input and basic arithmetic operations. You will predict the values stored in variables a and b after running the code. Understand functions. You will reflect on the concept of functions, which are blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. You'll identify functions you already know, such as print, int, and float, and learn about the mechanics of calling a function. Learn about built-in functions. You will be introduced to various built-in functions such as min, max, round, sum, and len. You will see how to use them and what their outputs are with examples. Hands-on practice with built-in functions. You will write code too. Get the user's name and determine the length of the name using the len function. Collect 3 numbers from the user and find their sum using the sum function. Identify the cheapest ticket price using the min function from a list of ticket prices. Determine the maximum value from a set of numbers using the max function. Round a decimal number entered by the user using the round function. Bug busting skills. You will learn about common errors in coding, such as TypeError and NameError, and how they can occur when using functions incorrectly. Classwork questions. You will create a new Python file to answer specific questions, which include writing a comment that defines a function in your own words, explaining why a type error might occur when calling a function, writing a program that collects 3 strings from the user and counts the total number of characters across all strings, calculating the sum of all numbers from 1 to 10 using a built-in function and printing the result, asking the user for their marks in 3 different classes and determining the highest mark using a built-in function. Through these tasks, you'll gain practical experience with functions and reinforce your understanding of their purpose and usage in Python programming.